everyone, this is Alice. As I said in the last video, we went to the zoo.
누나 따봉. Thumbs up, thumbs up. 저 출연할래요.
In the zoo, we saw a bird that looked kinda dumb.
Hello, bird.
And for the first time in my life, I saw a peacock. And we saw this as well. We saw a panda. It was so cute. And another cute things, meerkats. They were so cute. And guess what Noah said?
I think the meerkats are very cute like me.
Whatever.
I have A+ in everything except for science is B+, Korean history is B+, math is A, and international relations is A. 그럼 everything 아니죠?
I was peacefully editing my video, but I just couldn't remember the Korean word for peacock. Somehow I confused 공작 and 백작 and got this. But I finally realized the truth. A sense of nihilism rushed over me. And after all these things, I got an award.